G'day everybody, Sid in the shed. Welcome to Workshop Wednesday. I have been crook, so I didn't get a video out this morning as I would normally do. I'm feeling substantially better, though still not 100%. The video I was going to do was Mal's hashtag challenge completion and make the flowers for the bud vase. That'll now push out to next week, which means the video I was going to do next week, which was a review of some Temu tools that Reese found for me, which are he thinks good for doing some of the reworking of some of the bowls I'm doing. So price was right, so I got them. They should actually arrive today, or not today, tomorrow or Friday. So that one will push out to the week after now, but I'm going to do this one, the Emoji hashtag challenge, and it's going to be what Copilot refers to as the swirl. This will be pretty much just a turning, no talking. Going to drill in a little mortise in the bottom, round it, put it on the mortise, turn the swirl, and maybe embellish it a little bit. And that will be it. Hopefully it won't be a horribly long video, but it should be good fun. I'm pretty sure the wood is Douglas fir, or Oregon as we call it here in Australia. So just stopping you for a moment, because something I forgot to do was concave the bottom. So I'm just going to, while I can, I'm going to turn around and do that. So I really am going well. Forgot to turn the camera on. So just shape the swirl layers with the skew. Just doing the top now with the spindle gouge. Then there'll be sand, colour, and it'll be done. Maybe embellish. So there we go, basic shape, ready for some paint. Now Copilot calls this the swirl. I think I know what everyone else calls it, and it's probably appropriate to describe the way I've been feeling for the last 4 days. But I was trying to think of what I could do as a relatively quick and easy video for today. And I remembered Rhinestone Suzanne's emoji challenge. So I thought, no, there we go. I know what I can do. So get this on. Just got to let it dry. And I'll seal it with some varnish, lacquer, whatever you want to call it. Just going to put the one coat on. Interestingly enough, brown wasn't the colour I had. I thought I would have had plenty of brown, but nope. So this is not actually brown, it's burnt umber. There we go, we'll let that dry. Okay everybody, so we've got it painted up. I'll put a coat of sealer over the top. Now I've got some googly eyes to put on. So they're going to go there, and then maybe a little smile down here. Let's see how we go. And just a smidge big on that one. Wonder if I've got some bigger eyes. Yep, that'll work. We'll glue them on. Maybe not. Nothing a bit of CA glue won't fix, so hey. And then a smiley face. We'll see if I can stay inside the lines, hey? Always been an issue for me. Never was any good at colouring in. Let's bring this up and this up. So I've got something to lean on, maybe. That'll help, perhaps. Oh yeah, that might help. What do we reckon? I reckon that'll work. Find the switch. Cheating, don't have to stay in the lines with the tape on there. Hopefully. So we'll let that dry and we'll come back. So there we have it, what Copilot calls the Swirl. The emoji challenge from Rhinestone Suzanne. I'll tag her channel in the comments to this video. Thanks for coming along for a look for the late edition Workshop Wednesday, and I will see you next week.